rap guy's girlfriend.
I'll go in next.
What's up, man?
How you doing? Could you give me info real quick? New viewers.
What's up, man? Arthur Grimes, Team Nemesis Arthur Grimes. I got 1990 Honda Civic hatchback. I got 4 Nightshade version 4s, 2 Sundown 6Ks. I got Mmats 601 6.5 in the front. A Rockford Prime 250.4. Mike Singer 320 under the hood.
Okay.
And Limitless 100 amp hour.
Okay. Have you ever got this metered?
Yeah. My highest today I did 56.9.
Really?
Yeah.
Whoa.
And
impressive.
And I got Rockford Prime today.
Awesome. Is it because the alternator, the heat, battery's going bad, or?
I don't know, man.
You don't know?
I have
Okay.
no clue.
Okay. What is your frequency peak?
39.
39. Okay. Awesome. I'd love to hear it, man.
My God, Becky, look at her butt. It is so big. She looks like one of those rap guys' girlfriends. But, you know, who understands those rap guys? They only talk to her because she looks like a total prostitute, okay? I mean, her butt is just so big. I can't believe it's just so round. It's like out there. I mean, gross. What? She's just so flat. I like big butts in the game.
Wow. Dude, that's impressive, dude. I know you're having voltage issues, but dude, I really appreciate it, man.
Appreciate it, guys.
Nice to meet you and great demo, dude.
You got room for one more?
Yeah, I'll do one more.
He's having some voltage
I got
issues.
demos all day.
Really?
Yeah,
Oh.
I've been giving them out.
He's having some voltage issues, but I'm sure he'll be able to give you one. How low does it play? Just curious, bandwidth-wise.
I can play down about 33.
33?
Yeah. I can play up to about 45.
45? Awesome. Okay. Thank you, man.
Becky, look at her butt. It is so big. She looks like one of those rap guys' girlfriends. But, you know, who understands those rap guys? They only talk to her because she looks like a total prostitute, okay? I mean, her butt is just so big. I can't believe it's just so round. It's like out there. I mean, gross. Look. She's just so wow. I like big. Baby got ballet. Searching for someone. She's just so wow. I like big butts.
going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.